up, guys? I have one of the most beautiful luxury exotic cars in the world right now in my possession. So what I'm doing today is I'm going out and giving people a ride of their lifetime.
I'm about to try.
What's up, Yolanda? Have you ever been in a Lambo before?
No, this is my first time.
First time, you ready?
First time.
You're gonna go for a roller coaster ride.
Oh my god!
Doesn't that sound awesome?
Oh,
210 miles per hour. You like that?
Oh, right on! Right on! My god! That was clean! That felt good.
What'd you think?
Awesome! Awesome! Awesome!
If I apply myself, I can get one of these by the end of this year.
That's good thinking, man. That's some positive thoughts right there, man. You can get it.
Sure.
I applied myself. I'm in it.
Oh, yeah.
Sounds like a UFO, right?
Oh, shit. That shit went down the street like that. This is a great way to start my day, too. Just jumping in a Lambo.
Yeah, right now.
That's so cool, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah, man. Hell yeah.
Okay,
You know, giving people a taste of, you know. That's so nice of you.
That's exactly what I'm doing, giving them a taste, man.
That's so cool.
Hell yeah, I got it for the day. I got a taste, so I figured, why not?
Yeah, that is so nice of you.
Yeah, man, I got one more ride him, and if you stay right here, I'll give you one too.
Okay, I'll be here.
You'll be the last one.
All right.
How much did it cost? Is that a German or what? Dude, that's like better than a roller coaster, man.
Vince, you ever been in one of these before?
Nope.
First time?
First time.
All right, you're gonna love it, man.
Yeah.
You like that?
Awesome. This thing got airbags.
Yeah, what's that?
I said this thing got airbags. Whoa. This come out the hole like Speed Racer, dude.
How'd your heart feel?
Yeah, I got scared quick, man. I got scared real quick, dude. It's been so long since I've been in a car, period.
Yo!
So what's this, a Lamborghini what?
Gallardo Spider.
A Gallardo.
Yeah,
oh,
Spider.
Spider. My boy got a Ferrari Spider. You know, they can make spiders, but whoa, man. So how fast we were going?
I don't know, but this thing can go up to 210.
You scared me. Oh, I would be so scared. For real, just that little strap. I thought Amigo was gonna be up in the air, man.
That's awesome.
Still right?
No clutch.
No clutch, just.
Yeah, just a button.
Oh God, no clutch. I thought it was a clutch. Okay.
You like that?
Yeah. We ain't even worked no. Yeah, I know when you on the freeway, you just get crazy,
Gone,
boy. This shit is like a rush. You get a rush off this shit. Man, get that off, man. You shook off some stuff, man.
That's good.
Yeah. Real
Awesome.
talk.
I'm glad.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate you.
I only went a block, half a block, man, in like a half a second. Man, this thing, like, you know, it's like a time machine.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You know,
that's awesome.
It's a time machine, boss. Man, we do stuff that if it would take 1 second, it's like a 1/3 of a second. You know, yeah, this is a bad machine.
Yeah.
Woo-wee. Man, this thing is awesome. You cannot be in the wrong hands under the wheel.
Oh, I know.
You can't have the wrong hands under this wheel, bro.
No,
Thank you, Dennis. You are so
man.
nice, man. God bless you.
God bless you too, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Another good deed is give somebody a free lunch. Somebody that could really need it. Hey, man.
Howdy.
Want a sandwich?
Awesome, thank you.
Yeah,
God
dude.
bless, man.
God bless you, man.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
All right.
See ya. What's up, man? You hungry? Yeah? Honest to God. So if I gave you this $5, you get yourself a meal right now. All right, man. Yeah, dude. Eat up. Yeah. Yep.